The 2011 circle question. You have a line in a circle that intersect at the points PQ. Find the equation of the circle that has PQ as diameter. So if PQ is the diameter, to find the equation of the circle, we need to know the centre, which will be the midpoint of PQ, and then the distance from the centre to either P or Q. So just basically find the points P and Q. And to find where a line and a circle intersect, rewrite the equation of the line, x equals 20 minus 3y, and substitute it into the circle equation. So instead of x squared, we'll have 20 minus 3y squared. So y stays as it is. Replace x with 20 minus 3y minus 8y equals 0. So square the first, multiply the two of them and double it, and square the last. And don't forget the other y squared. Multiply out the other bracket. Alright, that's just minus 8y. Equals 0. Now simplify, so add the y squareds together. Add the y's together, so minus 120y plus 18y minus 8y is minus 110y. And add the numbers together, 400 minus 120 is 280. Divide everything by 10. Sorry, that's plus. Factorize, so y minus 7, y minus 4 equals 0. So you have y equals 4 and y equals 7. Now to find the x values, substitute them in here. So when y is 4, x is 8, is it? Yeah. And when y is 7, x is minus 1. So there's your 2 points, P and Q. So you have 8, 4. And you have minus 1, 7. So P and Q you can call whichever, I suppose, going by the way I've done it up there. That'll be P and that'll be Q. Now, so to find the equation of this circle, we need to find the centre, which is the midpoint of PQ. So the midpoint equals the centre. So if you use the midpoint formula here, so add the two of them up and divide by 2. So the centre of that circle is 3.5 and 5.5. Or you can leave them in fraction form if you want, 7 over 2 and 11 over 2. Would that be right? 11 over 2? I think so. Now then, you need to find the distance. The radius will be the distance from Q to P divided by 2, or it'll be the distance from the centre to either P or Q. So just whichever one you want to do yourself, I'll just work it out from the distance from the centre. So x1, y1, and say x2, y2. So minus 1 minus 3.5 squared plus y2 minus y1, which is 5.5, all squared. And at this point then you can substitute that in, or just type that into your calculator, and you should get the radius to be equal to root 45 over 2. Okay. Now then, find the equation of the circle. It doesn't actually ask it for any specific way, so remembering that h and k are the centre. So x minus 7 over 2 squared plus y minus 11 over 2 squared equals the radius squared, so when you square that, just the square root removes, and that's your answer.